case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark decision by the New York Supreme Court, the court dove into the murky waters of vehicle sales transactions, seeking to establish clarity of title ownership. The case, Sheridan Suzuki Inc. v. Caruso Auto Sales Inc., was born from an unusual mishap involving Ronald Bouton and two vehicle sales companies. Bouton, after having allegedly purchased a motorcycle from Sheridan Suzuki by paying with a dishonored check, sold the bike to Caruso Auto Sales prior to acquiring a certificate of title from the seller. Consequently, Suzuki and Caruso each believed they were the rightful owner of the motorcycle. This sparked the court case, as each party claimed innocence, and it was left to the court to decide who should bear the loss. The lower court initially decided in favor of Caruso, but the ruling was appealed by Suzuki. The argument essentially hinged on the technicalities of the Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, and the State Uniform Vehicle Certificate of Title Act, UVCTA. As these conflicting laws intersected, Suzuki's argument that Bouton didn't provide a perfected title, a requirement under the UVCTA, began to hold sway. The case ultimately concluded with a twist on traditional law, as the High Court ruled that Caruso couldn't rightfully own the motorcycle due to Bouton's invalid title. Despite Caruso's innocence, the dealership was unable to apply the principle of equity known as equitable estoppel against Suzuki's claim, since Bouton's fraudulent activities established Suzuki, not Bouton, as the legitimate owner. In the final verdict, the court upheld Suzuki's appeal and overturned the initial ruling in Caruso's favor, stating that Suzuki held the true title owing to Bouton's fraudulent check and lack of a valid title. It was a razor-thin legal dispute that underscored the importance of owning a proper, perfected title in vehicle sales. As a result, Suzuki went away with the motorcycle, marking the end of a high-stakes game of who holds the title. In conclusion, the court's decision subtly redefines the concept of ownership in vehicle sales and illuminates the pitfalls of an unperfected title arising from fraud, even when purchased in good faith. It is a stern reminder to always ensure the authenticity of vehicle titles before proceeding with sales transactions, no matter how trustworthy the seller may seem.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.